Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make your fresh okra very slimy. So I know the fresh okra is already slimy, but I want it slimier. Okay, so today that's what we are going to be doing. So over here I have my bicarbonate soda right here, you guys. Yes, bicarbonate soda. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is what we are going to be using to make okra slimier than what it actually supposed to be. So I just cut my okra. If you want to see how I do my okra like this or what I use, I will put that video up before this one. I'm not too sure, but it will be up. Okay, so now you're gonna need water. And yeah, so now what we're gonna do is put our okra into the pot. I have my stuff going on there. So now we're gonna dump the okra. So this is how the okra looks for now, you know. So now what we're going to do is use a little bit of the bicarbonate soda, about this much. Let's add a little bit, about that. Okay, into your okra like that. That's all you need. And then you're gonna take water, and then you're gonna add it to the pot. So this is what's going to cook the okra. So since my meats and everything is cooking in the other pot, so once I dump the okra in there, it won't be for that long. Then I'll turn the stove off. So you guys, yeah, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of water. And you can see it's starting to get very slimy. So I used the bowl with the okra, so I'm just going to add, that's enough. So I'm just going to add that much and just let it, look at that guys. Look at that. It's starting to do its job now. The bicarbonate soda, look at that. Okay guys, so let it cook down for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And okay, cover it up, and then we'll come back. Okay, so you guys, as you can see, the okra is doing its job right now. It's very slimy, you guys. Very slimy. If you don't want it too slimy like the way I had mine going on right now, you can put, you know, divide the amount of bicarbonate soda that I add to the pot. You can just do a little bit so it won't be as slimy as you see on this video. So you guys, yeah, so that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below. And yeah, and thank you guys for watching. Well, the okra soup is gonna come next after this. I'll show you, you know, I'm gonna put this video up now to show you guys how to do your okra like this. And yes, you guys, look at that. And that okra taste is so good, so good. I can't wait to put that video up so you guys can see. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.